You've developed a solid trading strategy, but the key to its success lies not in the indicator or the market analysis. It's in managing risk with precision. According to a recent survey, 70% of retail traders struggle with position sizing, resulting in blown accounts and missed opportunities. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to calculate the right position size for every trade using a position sizing calculator. The position sizing calculator is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you determine the optimal trade size based on your risk tolerance and account size. This approach is particularly useful for those who want to maintain a consistent risk profile across different markets and instruments. Think of it as a risk budgeting technique that ensures you're not overexposed to any single trade. Let's consider an example. Suppose you have a $10,000 trading account, and you're looking to risk 2% of your account balance on each trade. Using the position sizing calculator, you can calculate the optimal position